when it comes to Galamsey issue, I think it's something that we don't have to beg the government to ban Galamsey. It's a national issue because for me, I have a friend who comes from Galamsey, a community from whereby they are doing this illegal mining. And when you see, Masa, we are in Accra, we don't see anything. No. When you get there and you see what is going on, you see that what our country is going down. This is not issue of like begging government. The government should ban Galamsey. It's a must. Government has to ban Galamsey forever and ever. Otherwise, Masa, in the next 2 or 3 years to come, I assure you, we have to import water from what? From the abroad. In able to have good water to drink. So I'm pleading. It's not about pleading. I'm telling the government to ban Galamsey because this thing is destroying our country. And I heard that tomorrow there will be a demonstration on the same issue. This time we don't want government to arrest anybody. The police should even come in because this time we are very angry. Everyone, even the whole country, we are not happy about this. This is not about government arresting anyone. Government should come in and ban the Galamsey.
Galamsey is good that they have to stop it because it is spoiling our waters. You know, we get our waters from the rivers. And so if they are spoiling the waters, it means that we are no more going to get water to drink. And we'll be maybe, as they used to say, we'll be importing water from outside and things, which is bad because we have a lot of rivers here that we can get water and water to drink. And so the Galamsey, they have to stop it. But the problem I have is that to stop them, it will be a little bit hard because I'm very, very sure that the politicians are behind it. That is why the guys are there doing that kind of jobs because soldiers used to guide them. I don't see a Galamsey man. A soldier has to be there and then guide him. A soldier has to go and arrest him, but he is there guiding them. It means that there is a big mess among the thing that they are doing. That is why they are continue doing it. So the Galamsey, I support the president to stop it.
The Galamsey menace in Ghana is destroying our lands and water bodies. I urge that we eschew politics from Galamsey and dialogue with the traditional, religious and political leaders to draw a plan on how to stop Galamsey.
Now, say Mattis almost say almost and stop the whole mining. The whole mining.
We cannot stop mining completely.
The whole mining because
we have small scale and large scale mining.
Small scale mining.
Large scale mining is what is destroying our water. We plead that an end should be brought to Galamsey, especially in mining areas.
Local people now almost so local people no move to most bones no banya. Sa Galamsey in some year, you won't quite fast. You never told the baby.
Also, Galamsey in the idea in Yempe, but baby idea in a coson and Crofona Muticrum Hono. A person who's almost almost a Cosana. Some pedia, and almost sorry in Galamsey. The villages now, Galamsey because we are so almost pa, almost sorry, and I saw it. Yes, we are sorry.
We in Accra cannot be demonstrating on the streets while you in the villages destroy our water bodies. Our efforts will be in vain. The youth in rural areas where Galamsey is ongoing should rise and register their displeasure about the measure.
But I was saying so yeah from the eboa. And the villages no me dey meet me can say almost sorry. So mon pese Galamsey no cause almost sorry.